In the 1960s, there was a book called Waikiki Beachnik that featured a cocktail called the Polynesian Paralysis. The symptoms of the Polynesian Paralysis were described as a severe desire not to work, not to do anything that requires anything substantial, physical, or mental. On this episode of Tiki Cocktails with Spike, we make the Polynesian Paralysis. My name is Spike, and on my other channel, I've made over 200 tiki cocktails right here in my home bar, The Breezeway. On that channel, we've toured home tiki bars, we've interviewed guests like burlesque performers and pinup models, and we've gone to some of the most incredible tiki bars across the country. But right here, this is just about the recipes. Welcome to Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
In the 1950s and 1960s, there were all kinds of these little cocktail books. One of them was called Waikiki Beachnik, and I don't have that one. But this cocktail is from that. Be sure to stay to the very end, where we are going to answer the question, if I ordered this cocktail in a bar, would I order it again? And we're gonna do a tiki mug giveaway. I should say that I'm a little bit concerned about this cocktail because cocktails, especially in Hawaii in this era, were not exactly craft cocktails. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, with no further ado, let's just jump into the cocktail. I did notice the proportions, and I was like, 3 ounces of orange juice. Okay, that's like a lot of orange juice, but maybe the other ingredients are make up for it in some way or another. And then I looked at the other ingredients, 3 ounces of pineapple juice. So now we're already at 6 ounces. Dude, it's a bowl drink, but we're not gonna make it in a bowl. We're gonna make it in this rad, brand new from Tiki Farm, little fish gatherer dude with his little, he's got a little thing. For some reason it says Hukilau on the back. This is not for the Hukilau Festival, but rad mug available from Tiki Farm, like coming soon, very soon. So we're just gonna make the whole big batch and you'll have like some, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay, see, everything will be fine. 3 ounces of pineapple juice. It's a lot of pineapple juice, man. 3 ounces of orange juice. This is fresh squeezed. Of course, if you subscribe to the channel, you know that we always use fresh squeezed juice where we can. There's 2 and 3 ounces there. 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And it's so funny that all the other ones are like 3 ounces and then lemon juice is 3/4 of an ounce, but lemon juice can quickly overwhelm a cocktail. Okay, so far we're building some fruit juices up. Let's see what's next. 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. This is from Liquid Alchemist. If you want a little bit of a discount on Liquid Alchemist stuff, there's a link in the description below. Of course, you can just make your own simple syrup. It's simple, super simple. Tiny bottle of orgeat. 1 ounce of orgeat. Why is this bottle so tiny? Weird. A Kole Hau. You know what a Kole Hau is?
What is that? No.
Kole Hau is a traditional Hawaiian spirit, often referred to as Hawaiian moonshine.
Do you have that?
No. They say that you can swap like bourbon for that. So we're gonna do that. 3 ounces of bourbon. I guess bourbon doesn't pop the way that rum does. There is 2 ounces of Memories of College. Whew. And then 1 more ounce. And that is the drink. We are going to fill this with some ice. Okay, let's bring over the Hamilton Beach, and for about 6 to 8 seconds, we are going to mix. It's funny how like right at 6 to 8 seconds, the thing starts getting cold. And inside the brand new fish gatherer. Wow, dude, that's actually like almost the whole mug. You want to leave some space so that you can add some ice. But we are going to be giving away this mug designed by my buddy Tank at the end of the episode. All right, I spilled. And since we got editor Jared here, figure we'll make a couple of drinks here. Set this guy over for the time being, and then this is our cocktail. We are gonna do a little bit of mint. I mean, not a little bit of mint, but you don't want to skimp. You don't want to skimp the mint. We will put that in the back there, and then the book says a garnish with a gardenia. So we're gonna put this beautiful flower up on top. Does that look good? Oh, it looks beautiful. This guy's like a warrior, and all of a sudden I put a flower in his hair, so sorry, warrior. And then a straw in the back. Now, if you want to be in the running to win this guy, there are 3 things you have to do. Share this episode on your social media. Go to Instagram, share it there as well, and then tag at Tiki Cocktails on a story or a post. And mention in the comments below that you've entered the contest and where to find your name in social media. That'll put you in the running for this super rad mug, sculpted and designed by my buddy Tank. And it's got a little AR augmented reality thing on the back here with the map. It's rad. So from the Waikiki Beachnik book in the 1960s, this is the Polynesian Paralysis. Let's give it a taste. Oh man, I think the orgeat is doing something to really kind of smooth out the bourbon as well. You get a lot of the kind of the almond flavors. It's the fruit juices. Man, I tell you, this is a surprisingly good cocktail. Okay, let's bring on editor Jared.
Hey, oh, thanks for having me.
Editor Jared, I thought we weren't gonna be doing guests on this channel.
Anything's possible.
Anything's possible.
On Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Dude, so this is the one we're gonna give away.
Okay.
This mug. So somebody is going to win the exact mug that you are slurping out of.
Ooh, can I win this? Can I do this? Can I enter?
No. Employees are, what do they say?
You can't be, like, if you work for McDonald's, you can't do the Monopoly game. I don't know, something like that.
The Monopoly game.
Monopoly. And I haven't been drinking yet, but I'm about to.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. All right, here we go.
It almost doesn't taste like bourbon.
No, I thought all that juice was gonna be, like, overpowerful, but that's pretty good.
Bourbon's like a really aggressive flavor.
Yeah.
And so I think the juice, I think they're fighting each other.
And they're just coming together.
Oh.
They're not fighting, they're coming together, they're meshing well.
They're battling
And it's
for
peace
deliciousness.
and harmony.
It is. It's really good, right?
It is, and this mug is fantastic. I hope whoever wins this enjoys it as much as I am. It's like an adventure.
If you order this cocktail in a bar, would you order it again?
That's a good question. Yes, I would.
I would too.
You? Yeah.
Yeah, it's great.
It's great.
Leave a message in the comments below if you are interested in winning this. And what else?
Why couldn't I get a flower or mint?
Sorry.
I'm raw dogging it.
If you enjoyed this episode, click on this link right here for something that is equally as bizarre as this.
Pointing.
Okay. The end.
Tiki Cocktails with Spike. Can I have this?
Yeah.